Hi everybody. Been working on a method for refining the spectrum module using Euro USD data with 30-minute bars, and I thought I would share that with the group. Just looking at back testing at this point, and I pulled up data from October 2018, looking to project into the following week, the week of October 15th through the 19th. And okay, so let's get started. Let me click on the spectrum module here. And since I have my chart set up for time and not bars, after I click calculate spectrum, I have to recalculate it for time. Now the other thing is I'm finding that I like detrended zigzag to be my modifier. And how does one determine the best percentage? So what I'd like to do is have it set for starters at 0.85%, but I'm going to click OK and then zoom in on the last set of data here. And oops. Excuse me. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to dial this backward until okay. I dialed it backwards till I caught this swing low and the next swing high. And there's a range in here, so that's 0.52 and 0.65 is hanging in there, and by 0.68 it pops into eccentric, more zigzags for some reason. So I'm going to dial it back just to where it crosses that threshold right here. And I'm going to give it 0.65, I think is what I found. 0.638, 0.65. So I'll just say OK to that and put that value in there. So we're set up for metric time, zigzag, detrended zigzag, 0.65%, and recalculate. Okay, next I'm going to pick the top 4 peaks here. So I'm going to click this one, this one, this one, and that one. And then click the selected button to send them over to the events clipboard, and then I click the harmonic box and give that a second to calculate. Okay, next let me zoom in on last week's data, and that's pretty close, but I can refine these values now to get the turn here to align with the a little bit more closely, and as well that turn as well. So I'm going to dial this back a little bit. Let's try that. What happens if I dial that up? That's looking that's going in the right direction. See, this is coming back now. This swing is good. let's see here. And let me pause the video while I'm playing with that, and I'll be right back. Okay, after playing around with that for another minute or so, I got this peak, the turn of the sine wave to occur at this peak here, and centered this one on here. And that's for the latest data. So that's pretty good. And let me minimize this. And then click this here and check this out. This is looking good, looking good. Okay, so this is the projection line for the following week here. I'll mark the date for the swing low. So price is projected to move down until 2000 hours on Wednesday, and then move up into the close of the week. So let me bring over my MT4 chart and see how that worked out. Okay. Right here is 2000 hours, and here's price opening right here on Sunday evening. And so that was a gain of 82 pips, and then the curve said price to end the week higher for another 48 pips. So what I'm playing then with is the spectrum analyzer, not going overboard with choosing too many peaks, adjusting the curve to match the latest data, and using that to project into the future. So good luck, and see you in the forum.